Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about setting up the index or reset the index of a specific data frame. So let's start. So we are going to use same data frame which we have used in the previous videos. Im- So here import pandas as pd, numpy as np, and then we have data frame elements like data labels and column parameters basically. And here I'm calling data frame. Okay, so first we will see how we can reset the index. So right now, if you see, we have index A, B, C, D, E. If I need to reset this, so let me show you the command for that. So I will type df dot reset index and then bracket. So see now, I have this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 index by default. Okay, so using this, we can change or we can reset the index. But if I call df, it will show the earlier one. The reason is again to do this, we have to use property in place equals to true. So let me set the property in place equals to true. Okay. Now if I run this df, I'll able to see the updated one. Okay. Now let's work on set index. So let's say if you want to set the index of this W column. So how you will do? Let me show you the command. So you can simply write df dot set index, and here you need to mention the column name. So let's say you want to set W, so you will write, you will put this W. So see, W is set. But again, if you call df, you will able to see the previous structure. So to setting up W, you have to type, to setting up, I can say permanently, you again have to type in place equals to true. Okay, now if you can run this df, you can see W is the index, latest index. Okay, now let's say if you want to set up two index, let's say x by multi-index. So how you can do? Let me show you. You will write df dot set index, okay, and bracket parenthesis, and under parenthesis you will use square bracket, and you will type w, not w is already index. You can type x and y. Okay, so I'm not going to use in place because I just wanted to show you. So see, now we have latest index x and y. Okay, but if I run this df, now we have the previous structure because we have not used in place equals to true here. Okay, now let's suppose I have this xy, and I can say I have w only because I haven't used in place equal to true. So if I'm running, I have this w index only. Now let's say I want to append yz as well. So my index would be wyz. I don't want to lose this one, and I want to append yz in this one. So how will I do? Let me show you. So we'll use df dot set index. Okay, and I'm gonna use by and z. So I put this in the square bracket, and now I will use properties here. So in place, I will keep the false because I don't want this permanent, and then I will put append equals to 2. So meaning if you do append equal to 2, it will basically append the index. and drop equals to false. We have to write both of these to see the to append the index. After running this, I will able to see W and YZ would be the index. So see, and you can change. Let's say you want instead of YX, so XZ. And this is not permanent because I'm setting here false. So if you call DF here, you will able to see this one. Okay. So I hope this video is useful. Thank you guys.